ERTC stands for Employee Retention Tax Credit. It is a refundable tax credit provided by the United States government to encourage businesses to retain their employees during periods of significant economic disruption, such as the pandemic. The calculation of the Employee Retention Tax Credit involves several factors and can be complex. However, here are the basic steps involved in calculating the credit. Note: for more details, visit our website portal.ertcexpress.com/qualify/claim ERTC recovery. Number 1. Determine eligibility. To be eligible for the Employee Retention Tax Credit, a business must meet certain criteria. This includes experiencing a significant decline in gross receipts or being subject to a full or partial suspension of operations due to a government order related to COVID-19. Number 2. Identify the qualified wages. The credit is based on the qualified wages paid to eligible employees. The amount of qualified wages eligible for the credit depends on the number of employees and the business's average annual gross receipts. Qualified wages include certain wages and healthcare costs. Number 3. Determine the applicable time period. The credit is available for wages paid after March 1, 2020, and before September 30, 2021. The applicable time period for the credit may vary depending on the specific circumstances, such as when the business experienced a decline in gross receipts or a suspension of operations. Number 4. Calculate the credit. The Employee Retention Tax Credit is generally equal to a percentage of the qualified wages paid to eligible employees during the applicable time period. The percentage can vary depending on the specific circumstances. For example, for qualified wages paid in 2021, the credit rate is generally 70% of up to $10,000 in qualified wages per employee per quarter. In some cases, the credit rate may be higher, and there may be certain limitations or additional factors to consider. Number 5. Apply the credit. The credit can be applied against the employer's share of Social Security taxes. If the credit exceeds the amount of Social Security taxes owed, the excess can be refunded to the employer. It's important to note that the above steps provide a general overview of the ERTC calculation, but the actual calculation can be more complex and may require consultation with a tax professional or reference to the specific guidance provided by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The IRS provides detailed instructions and forms to help businesses calculate and claim the Employee Retention Tax Credit. We will share such videos with you every week. Hope you stay with us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.